If you've got boobs, I've got bras to share. Cannot take myself seriously. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Comfelie bra haul. I absolutely loved working with them in my last haul. I'll put that up in the cards in case you missed it. And when they reached out again to have me showcase one of their new bras, I was super excited. I have found myself pretty much only wearing these bras. They have absolutely been my favorite. They're just so comfortable. So I have a couple to show you and I will share me wearing them up over here as we kind of talk through. I do also want to say they are running a sale through May 11th. And if you purchase using the code ELLIE23, you will save yourself 23% off of your order. So thank you so much to Comfelie for sending that code to me and helping everybody save some money. So I will leave all of these linked down below with the color and the size that I got it in so that you have it. So something that I really appreciate about Comfelie bras is how incredibly soft they are. They're all super, super comfortable and super stretchy. All of their bras are made with up to 43% spandex, which is 15% higher than the industry average. So they are the perfect level of stretch and comfort. There is a great balance between comfort and support. So I love that they've found the way to kind of marry the two together in a perfect way. They're also all seamless, so you can wear them under basically any outfit and you're not going to notice any digging into your skin. They're also free from harmful substances, so you can feel really good about putting it on your skin. As I'm sure you've heard, there are lots and lots of chemicals and things that are put into pretty much everything in our world. And so having things that are as close to your breasts as they are, be very clean and very safe, is really, really important for long-term health. So knowing that that's something that they take into account is super wonderful to me. All of their bras also do have a 3D molded cup, so it's going to support you in the exact way that you need. As I'm sure you all know, everybody has a little bit of a different situation going on, and so having something that is perfectly tailored to fit you is amazing without having to go and get a custom bra. The way that they have everything made makes it so that it fits everyone universally. Their bras are also adjustable on the strap, so you can feel good about not having it dig into your shoulders or your side boob or your chest. So it's a very well supported, well structured bra that has the perfect molding to make you feel like it was made for your body. Something else that I really love about Comfelie is that they have a breast foundation partnership with Phenomenally Pink. If you have not heard of Phenomenally Pink, they are a 501c3 nonprofit that helps families who have been affected by health issues. They are a wonderful organization, and I always love a brand that gives back, so it's super nice that they do that too. So first, let's talk about the most supportive bra, and this is the Zero Gravity Bra. This has their jelly support system, which lifts everything up and keeps everything together in the most natural yet supportive way. It has a higher sidewall on the side, so it's going to keep all of your side boob together and make sure that underarm gap doesn't show as much and isn't as uncomfortable, because as I'm sure you've experienced, having that dig in there is not comfortable throughout the day. So this bra is really good if that's something that you're looking to cover or support a little bit more so. Like I said, this is the most supportive one. I am a larger chested gal, so I also have this one, which is a size inclusive. They go from large to 4XL for this specific model, which is fantastic. And it is tailored to fit fuller busts. So because of that, it has some great side walls to keep everything together, some thicker straps that are not going to put any pressure on your shoulders, and there's double gel in the band to keep everything super, super comfortable and supported. Lastly, we have the V for Victory bra. This one is great for anything that has a lower neckline, something with a little bit more cleavage showing. It is super, super supportive. It has a 360-degree lift system, so it's going to keep everything supported in all of the right areas. And like all of the other bras, it is super breathable, super comfortable, an amazing material while still being super supportive. The V-neck aspect is great, especially with the seamless design that they have, because it makes it work for literally anything. So I absolutely love this. So that was everything in my Comfelie haul. I had such a good time with this one, and I'm so excited to have some more bras. If you are interested in purchasing any of these, I will have them all linked down below, as well as the code ELLIE23 to save yourself 23% off of your order. Thank you so much to Comfelie for sending these to me. I am truly such a fan and absolutely love these bras. I highly recommend them, and I just know that you're gonna love them. So I really appreciate them sending them to me, and I really appreciate you for coming and hanging out and watching this video. And I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.